For many men, those natural morning erections begin to fade after the age of 50. And with them, energy, self-assurance, and that quiet sense of masculinity often start to slip away too. But here's the truth. Your body is still capable of producing strong, consistent mornings. You just need to give it the right kind of support. Sometimes, the solution is as simple as adding a few natural powders into your nighttime routine. I'm Dr. Catherine Mitchell, and today I want to introduce you to 3 natural powders you can take before bed that help fuel testosterone, improve circulation, and bring back stronger, more reliable morning erections. These powders are safe, effective, and easy to include in your daily routine. Stay with me until the end, because I'll explain not just how each one works, but also how they complement each other for the best results. Before we dive into the powders, let's first understand why morning erections matter so much. They're more than just a signal of desire. They're a reflection of your body's internal health. Strong morning erections indicate that your blood vessels are flexible, your circulation is efficient, and your testosterone is active. When they begin to weaken, it's often an early sign that something inside your system, whether hormones, blood flow, or recovery, is off balance. The encouraging news is that in many cases, you can restore this natural function by giving your body the nutrients it's been missing. And that's where these powerful powders step in. Beetroot might look like a simple root vegetable, but it's one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Inside your body, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, the very compound responsible for relaxing and widening your blood vessels. Without nitric oxide, achieving firmness is nearly impossible, no matter how much desire you may feel. When your blood vessels are relaxed and open, circulation improves, oxygen is delivered more efficiently, and blood can flow freely throughout the body. By taking beetroot powder in the evening, you're essentially priming your body for better circulation overnight. Why is this important? Because during those nighttime hours, your body is busy repairing tissues, balancing hormones, and preparing for the next day. With steady circulation, oxygen and nutrients reach every part of the body, including the pelvic region, where strong erections depend on optimal blood flow. Many men who use beetroot powder consistently notice stronger, more frequent erections, and even improved daytime stamina thanks to better vascular function. The second powder is Maca root, a remarkable plant that grows high in the Andes Mountains where the soil is rich and the air is thin. For centuries, locals have used it as a natural energizer and fertility enhancer. Traditionally, Maca was valued for boosting stamina, improving mood, and supporting overall vitality in both men and women. Modern research has backed up many of these traditional uses, showing that Maca helps support hormone balance, reduce stress, and enhance libido. But here's something important. Maca doesn't directly raise testosterone levels the way some people think. Instead, it helps your body use hormones more effectively, promotes balance between testosterone and estrogen, and supports the systems that regulate reproductive health. In other words, instead of flooding your body with hormones, Maca helps optimize what you already produce. The result? Stronger performance, more consistent desire, and healthier morning responses. Maca is also known for improving energy and endurance. Men who use it regularly often report feeling not only more interested in intimacy, but also more capable when the moment arises. It reduces fatigue, sharpens mental focus, and enhances stamina. Taken at night, Maca has another advantage. It helps calm stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels can interfere with testosterone, but when cortisol drops, your body is able to enter deeper, more restorative sleep. And it's during deep sleep that testosterone production reaches its peak. You can take Maca powder by stirring a teaspoon into warm milk, blending it into tea, or adding it to a bedtime smoothie. It's nutty, slightly malty flavor pairs well with honey or cinnamon. Over time, Maca helps nourish your system, reduce stress, and make erections not just stronger, but also more reliable. The third powder I recommend is Ashwagandha. This is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. And stress, as you may know, is one of the biggest enemies of strong erections because it drives up cortisol, the hormone that suppresses testosterone. High cortisol at night means lower testosterone in the morning. Ashwagandha helps bring cortisol down, calm the nervous system, and promote deeper, more restorative rest. At the same time, studies show it supports healthy testosterone levels, muscle strength, and overall vitality. For men over 50, this combination, lower stress and stronger hormone support, can be exactly what's needed to restore consistent morning erections. Ashwagandha powder is easy to use. Stir it into warm milk, add it to a calming herbal tea, or blend it with honey and cinnamon to smooth out its earthy flavor. With regular use, many men notice not only better erections, but also improved energy, mood, and recovery. So let's put this into perspective. Beetroot powder increases nitric oxide and enhances circulation. Maca root powder supports hormone balance, desire, and stamina. Ashwagandha powder lowers stress, strengthens testosterone, and improves sleep. Each one tackles the issue from a slightly different angle, but together they form a powerful foundation for improved blood flow, balanced hormones, and stronger morning responses. The beauty of these powders is in their simplicity. They're natural, easy to find, and simple to prepare. Adding them to your nightly routine doesn't require drastic lifestyle changes, just small steps that, over time, can completely transform your mornings. Here's my advice. If you're a man over 50 who wants to bring back stronger, more dependable mornings, start by fueling your body with what it needs. Use beetroot powder for circulation, maca root powder for stamina and balance, and ashwagandha for stress control and testosterone support. Take them consistently before bed, pair them with good sleep, proper hydration, and a balanced lifestyle, and your body will respond. I'm Dr. Catherine Mitchell, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate support, and natural vitality after 50. And remember, your best mornings aren't behind you. They can return when you give your body the right support.